Hey there, welcome to today's video. Today we're diving into an interesting problem that some Swift developers might come across. Picture this. You have a function called foo in Swift with a local variable job that initializes a data task. The problem arises when you expect the completion handler to not be called after foo ends, but surprisingly, it still gets executed. How is that possible? What's the magic behind it? Let's delve into the solution for this intriguing problem. The key lies in the fact that calling job.resume is essential. Without this step, the completion handler won't be triggered, regardless of memory management. By correctly implementing the function as shown below, the data task is effectively started, and the session maintains a strong reference to it even after foo finishes. This behavior ensures that the task continues to run, allowing the completion handler to be executed successfully. So, to wrap things up, we discovered the importance of calling job.resume to initiate the data task in Swift properly. Remember, the session retains a strong reference to the task until it completes, ensuring that your completion handler is called as expected. I hope you found this explanation helpful and insightful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or any other programming mysteries you'd like us to uncover next time. See you in the next video.